Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'll be making curry chicken, Jamaican style. Alright guys, so let's start off by adding some garlic pepper, a little bit of seasoned salt, some pink salt, about a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm also going to add some thyme leaves, half sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some pimento seeds or allspice berries, 1 carrot, some fresh garlic. I'm also going to add 1 scallion, half onion, and then we're just going to mix everything together real quick. Alright guys, so you also want to marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes or longer for best results. Go ahead and add a little bit of oil. Not too much. Add your curry powder. Go ahead and stir it up a little. Alright, so right now guys, I'm just doing a little stir fry, and then I'm just gonna let it cook. I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I'll add some water to it. Curry chicken is looking nice. Alright guys, so the total cooking process should take about 30 to 35 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.